Hi there, welcome back to another video. In this one, we are going to be looking at Dogecoin. Dogecoin is still going down today. We can see a price drop of about 0.8%, so the share prices, or at least the coin price, is still down, but obviously we are seeing a potentially decent opportunity to buy Doge in my opinion. Now I'm going to get into that in just a few moments, but do remember, if you are going to watch this video, it is not financial advice and it is just my opinion. I am not a financial advisor. I'm sure you do already know that, but I am going to say it once more for my safety and for yours as well. But yes, we are going to jump into the video now, but just a few more things before we do. 1, you can follow us on Twitter now at N2S Finance. 2, you can join us on Discord, link down below. 3, you can actually become a channel member by pressing the join button, which is next to the subscribe button. And now that I have mentioned all of those, we are going to jump in. So we're going to start off over here and gauge the whole crypto market. So what we have been seeing recently is that Bitcoin is climbing back up, which is good to see. So Bitcoin is climbing up. We have seen Ethereum make a bit of strength as well, similar to Bitcoin. Tether, we will ignore that one. We can see that the Binance coin is doing similar things. Dogecoin is kind of following a very similar trend, but it is still in the red because this one did see highs up here, and we haven't actually seen a breakout as strong as what we have seen with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and some of the other cryptos. We see Cardano down here doing its own thing, and actually a very similar trend to the rest of them with XRP this time now as well. So overall, that is the trend that we are seeing in the market. A bit of growth from our favourite two cryptos, our favourite top two, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum, which are both up. And again, Dogecoin is seeing a little bit of an uptrend from those lows, but it is not enough to be in the green for the past 7 days. But overall with Doge, we are seeing some very bullish action in the past 6 months. I think that is what people do need to remember. So I think that Doge has obviously seen this big rally up. It's seen a rally from up here at about 8 cents all the way up here to about 13 and above. Then we saw rallies even higher than that, up here to 32, before making an all-time high up here of about 70 plus cent. Now from that all-time high, we have been down, but people really do need to get some context as to why. So a lot of people are saying it's because of the crypto market. I think that is playing a part. The whole crypto market has been taking a bit of a hit recently, but obviously Dogecoin has been on the scene in terms of relevance very recently, so it's not been relevant for very long. And obviously people who bought in here are still in the green, and even people who bought in here and here are very much still in the green, if not ever so slightly in the red. So we hit all-time highs. Some people were bound to sell off if they got in very early and made a lot of money. Obviously, like I did mention, the crypto market as a whole has been not really having the best of times recently, but obviously in the past 5 days, in the past month, we are seeing Dogecoin see a bit of strength. So past month we are seeing a bit of a downtrend once more, but from these lows down here, we are pretty much neutral, which is okay, and it is quite decent. So we could be going towards a breakout pretty soon with the price of Doge, and again, that is what we would all love to see. So now let's have a look at the price of Bitcoin in the past 5 days, again just to gauge what we are seeing. So Bitcoin in the past week, like I did mention, is seeing a much stronger climb than Doge, and even in the past month we are seeing a big sell-off for Bitcoin, and we have actually been quite level for some time. And again, Bitcoin, if you'd have bought it down here in a similar period, you would be in the green because of this most recent piece of growth that we have been seeing. But overall, Bitcoin has fallen as well from its all-time high, and there are many reasons for this as well. So Bitcoin up here was about 63,000. Right now we are coming up to about 40,000, which is good because we managed to hold that support of about 30,000, and we managed to stay above that level, which is fantastic. So now it looks like we are testing the $40,000 level, which is great. I think going forwards we could see some big growth for Bitcoin. So if you guys think that Bitcoin is going to rally up past $100,000, maybe even past $500,000, I think this would be a good thing for Bitcoin, obviously, and I think it could also have a massive impact for Doge as well. Because we've obviously seen Bitcoin lead the way for the whole crypto market in many instances. We've seen Bitcoin being adopted in multiple places, and now we are seeing Dogecoin be adopted in multiple places as well. Now, don't get me wrong, guys, by no means do I think that Dogecoin can hit $500,000 or anything like that, but I think it is possible that we could see this one hit $1 and above, potentially in the next 12 months, the next 24 months, in my opinion. Now we have a lot of factors, as I have mentioned. We have a potential, opportunity to buy right now as the price has came down after this sell-off, and we could see further drops in my opinion, but if we can stay above the 30-cent range, I think we are in a decent position. But overall, we do have some catalysts going forward. We obviously have Elon Musk, a billionaire, supporting Doge, which I think is a big deal. I think going forwards, we are seeing Doge being accepted in more and more places, and it is subsequently being accepted as a more real-world use cryptocurrency rather than the joke which it was initially conceived as when it was invented. So I find that to be interesting. I think Doge, yes, we are seeing that sell-off, but now we are seeing a decent amount of consolidation. I think we could be looking for a big move upwards very soon. Now, I don't think we're going to hit $1 overnight. I think Dogecoin is now going to be a bit more slow growth and steady growth, but obviously some news could come out which could be very bullish for Doge in the next few days from Elon Musk or something of the like, and that could send the price up by a massive amount. But obviously, I think that Doge, I don't see it as being an opportunity to rocket, but I think in the next 12 to 24 months, we could see some very decent growth. So overall, what I'm trying to say in this video is that I do think that Doge has a lot of potential in my opinion. Obviously the volume is still high, we are seeing a lot of relevance around Doge, people are still continuing to buy. I think a lot of people are utilising this opportunity to buy the dip. But overall we've seen a lot of negativity in the crypto market as a whole, and with the way that Doge has been trading, it does make sense because like I said, Doge saw a very strong rally upwards, and we are still up from the people who bought up here, at about 5 cents and below. So I think yes, we are going to see a bit of a sell-off, but we have still leveled out at this 30 cent and above range, which is good. I think we could continue to see support in that range, and hopefully we can move up very soon. So I think we are seeing some decent consolidation, potentially ready for a move upwards soon, but even if this one was to drop a bit, I think it's still more of a long-term hold. I think now could be a decent opportunity. Again, that is just my thoughts, not financial advice. I am not guaranteed to be correct, it is just what I believe. So thank you for watching, I'll see you soon guys, goodbye.